Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of LG Split AC remote in detail and in simple words, so let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this you can turn on and off the AC. Then next button is temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The lower the temperature, the greater the cooling. Its minimum temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the cooling of AC will start decreasing. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you just want coolness and also want to reduce electricity bill, then use 26. This is also very good temperature for our body. And if you are feeling more cold in 26 degrees, then you set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot in 26 degrees, then you set the temperature of your AC in 25 or 24. Then the next button is the fan. AC cooling will not do in the fan, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you want to use AC fan only, then you can use fan mode. After that the next button is energy saving. By pressing the energy saving button, your AC will start running in 22 to 30 degree and energy saving will also happen. So the next button is MSOON. You can use MSOON in rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in rainy season, so using AC in M quickly removes that moisture. Then the next button is mode. Pressing the mode button will show you the mode. Now in cool mode. Currently in auto mode. After this press the mode button again, then cool mode will come. In cool mode all the buttons on the remote of AC will work and in this mode AC will be cool. After this press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and AC will work automatically. If you are feeling more or less cooling in auto mode, then you can reduce or increase the cooling with temperature up down button. In -1 and -2 your AC will be more cold and in 1 and 2 your AC will be less cold. After that the next button is for fan speed. The air coming from the indoor unit is for that fan speed. It works in 4 speed. Now fan speed is in auto. Now the fan speed is reduced. Now the fan speed is medium. Now fan speed up. You can control the fan speed according to yourself. If you want to cool the room quickly, set the fan speed on high. Then the next button is H cool. Usually it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but after pressing the cool button, the compressor starts in 1 minute. You are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot. And you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the H cool button, in which the room cools down very quickly. Next button is swing. This is a swing button in front of AC. It works in up down. By using this swing, the cooling of AC will spread rapidly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, pressing this button will stop your swing flap there. Next button is second swing. This is the button for swing inside AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of AC will spread rapidly in the room. Then the next button is room temperature. Pressing the room temperature button will show your room temperature on your remote. So the next button is sleep. AC becomes silent by pressing the sleep button, and the use of sleep button is very good. Like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC whatever it is, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not get excessive sleep cold. There will be no problem. You can use it with timing also. You can also set a timer of 1 to 7 hours to raise the temperature during sleep. Then the next button is the timer. Before using the timer, set the current time in your remote. Press and hold the set button for 3 seconds to set the time, and press the set button after setting the current time, then your time will be set. Then after that you set the timer, then your timer will be set. It is very easy to set the timer. By pressing the timer on button you can set the time. With the timer up down button, you can set the timer from 1 hour to 24 hours, and by pressing the set button your timer will be set. If your remote is hanging or not working properly, then you can see a small hole in the remote. If you press in that hole with the help of pin, then your AC remote will be reset and remote will start working properly. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then definitely like my video.